Naile walk. Yes. She wears overalls, MEC. She wears overalls like you, MEC, when you are doing your work. She wears overalls. You will never see, for the first time I see her in this. Congratulations. MEC, the last one. MEC is an educationist by profession who went through all the ranks, who became a principal MEC, who turned the school around and the school performed. He left 3 years ago, MEC, but because of the value he carries, because of his worth, you reappointed him MEC. Because he was still not yet 65 years old. You reappointed him. MEC, a school which was a perennial underperformer, in his first year, he turned that school around. The school got 100% for the second time in a row. Last year, MEC, he was not well. He's teaching business studies. MEC, he was not well. He was hospitalized. MEC, he requested to be wheelchaired to the school for the weekend support classes. And he taught the learners, prepared the learners on a wheelchair, preparing the learners for the examination. He could not come here because he's still recovering, MEC. But he taught the learners from a wheelchair, and those learners did so well. The school again got 100%. He never said I was coughing, I had a headache, I had a twisted ankle. He was wheeled out of a hospital ward to go to the school to teach the learners. Is none than Tate Kanapi. Tate Kanapi, the principal of Ramohit. Yes, the second manager will accept on his behalf. MEC, if you have got such patriots, if you can have people who can go to this length, but at times, some of us MEC, on very big positions, big salaries, MEC, we can't work an extra 30 minutes. We can't work an hour extra. We can't come on a Saturday. When we cough in the morning because of cold, we don't come to work.